My name is Lanre Masha. I'm a curator of Aspect Live. Essentially kind of put the pieces together. Yeah, I mean, this year is really Fuji centric. We have Santi, first time performer, and Smart. So Fuji centric is essentially the vibe of the show this year.
I always say that Fuji is the sound of the future, and like it has so many layers, production-wise, visually. It's like probably the most expressive form of music in the world.
I like I love culture. My sound is like Hotel Fuji vibe. Trying to create new things, like people should feel new style of music. What Hotel Fuji vibe means is combining hip-hop to Fuji. People really love it. People love it. Most especially the Fuji vibe on it.
Yeah, I think the experience, that's probably the biggest thing for me. Right? So it's not about how big the artist is, it's about what artist can help engage the audience the best.
Yeah, for me, it's just a privilege working with some of my peers. Like Santi, S-Smart, like a legend like Ayuba for sure. Like he's been in the game before I was even born.
We have so many people to thank. Music curator about that
When I come every day, now they say that boy, Millennium.